Are you looking for an abundance of energy and good health that a raw vegan lifestyle brings? Well, come along with me today as I share with you a day of eating in my life as a raw vegan now for 32 years since 1994. So for my first meal in the morning, I've already had 2 bananas, but now I'm having a half of a small papaya and I'm having 2 more bananas. So I'm really looking forward to my energizing morning sweet fruit meal after not eating at night, fasting at night. I'm feeling like having something a little bit more dense in the morning, but filled with water and glucose for sustained energy throughout the day. Then, just a couple hours later, I feel like something juicy, and I have a wonderful pink grapefruit, which gives me a lot of water content and great vitamin C. And I've even heard that grapefruit is good for the bones. And after the grapefruit, I love 2 juicy Cara oranges. These are amazing. And so I'll start with one and then go to the second one. What a fabulous snack. I'm really going to enjoy this. Midday, I like to have a smoothie. Most days that's what I have, unless I'm out. I am making a smoothie with Granny Smith apple. I really love the tart taste. So I've already chopped 1 Granny Smith apple. I'm gonna put it into my Vitamix. I like to use these aronia berries. These are high antioxidant berries. And I am using them actually for my eyes because they're supposed to help with improving vision. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons. If you don't have aronia berries, you can use any berry that you have. Some days I like to use wild blueberries, blackberries. I love blackberries. So I'm adding a handful of blackberries. And then I'm going to add mango. I have some frozen mango. I couldn't get fresh mango that was ripe, so I'm adding organic frozen mango. Swiss chard locally. Look at this beautiful green chard. If you can get local greens, you will want to pick them over the greens that are shipped because I'm gonna get a lot more nutrition from this. I am going to chop these up. All of my chard leaves are chopped. There's 7 leaves of chard here. I definitely want to focus on the nutrition of the chard in the leaves and in these beautiful red stems. You're gonna get a lot of nutrition with this deep color in the stems. Both the bright green and the red I'm going to add to my smoothie. This is about 2 cups of water. I've added a little bit more than 2 cups. You want to do it according to how much liquid you want, the consistency of the smoothie. If you want it more liquid or you want it thicker, you can see my greens in the blender. And now I'm going to blend it up. Here I'm pouring it into my glass. And I'm gonna taste it, see if it's to my liking. Delicious. The berries made it brown, but the taste is super nice. So I'm gonna enjoy my smoothie today. For the last meal of the day, usually I try to eat around 4 to 4:30 p.m. so that I have plenty of time to digest before I go to sleep. It's always a main meal salad. And this evening, the salad, romaine lettuce, is going to be used as a wrap for these yummy pumpkin seed mushroom burgers. And on the side, I have sunflower greens to make this meal even more nutritious. And I have some beautiful red heirloom tomato to put inside the burger wraps. These beautiful little burgers are made from soaked pumpkin seeds, portobello mushrooms, celery, red pepper, zucchini, a little bit of red onion, fresh cilantro, and a little bit of dulse granules and Italian seasoning. What a wonderful way to have a burger. Take one of the romaine lettuce leaves to use as a wrap, and I put in one of these amazing pumpkin seed mushroom burgers, and you put it on the upper half of the leaf. Then I'm going to take a slice of this delicious ripe heirloom tomato, and I'm going to put that on top of the burger. And I am also going to put on some of these super nutritious sunflower greens right on the top. And then all I'm going to do is fold it in half. And I have my burger bun, and it is ready to eat. That's it for a super nutritious meal, along with some other salad, as I have here in this plate. It's my goal to get in quite a bit of salad greens every single day. So here's salad mix, arugula, and more romaine lettuce leaves to make more burger wraps. Oh my gosh, don't mind me saying, but these raw vegan burgers are incredible. You have to try them. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel at Feel Fabulous with Food and comment and like. And if you're looking to implement your own action plan for a healthy lifestyle with raw vegan nutrition, then you can contact me by clicking the link below in the description. And I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.